We're making a healthy copycat of the Chick-fil-A Avocado Lime Ranch dressing, made higher in protein with Greek yogurt. It has incredible flavor with fresh lime, cilantro, and simple seasonings, and quickly made in a blender. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. To make this really easy dressing, all you need is a high-speed blender or a food processor. And then we're going to start with half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. Now you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description below, and that will take you to the full recipe with all the details as well as substitutions and nutrition facts. Next, I'll just use a spoon to scrape out one avocado, and then we're going to add 1/4 cup of cilantro. And for the lime, we can just squeeze the juice of one lime right into our cup, which is equal to about 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, but you could also use light olive oil. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And then for our simple seasonings, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of dill, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, a few dashes of pepper. Then we'll add 1/4 cup of milk. And then we simply screw on the lid and then put it on the blender base and blend until smooth. And then we have this gorgeous, creamy, incredibly smelling dressing. Now you can decide if you'd like to have it a little bit thicker like this, or you can add a little bit more milk to it if you'd like to thin it out. I prefer it a little bit on the thicker side, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour this into my jar. And then it's ready to go into your favorite salad, but I think it needs to be sampled on a chip. That is so good. That is such a delicious, tangy blend of flavors. I love the smooth creaminess that you get from the avocado and the Greek yogurt. And then I love the flavor coming in from the lime juice and the cilantro, and the seasonings are just right. Now, if you could use more healthy inspiration on a regular basis, I invite you to join my email list. All you have to do is click on the link that's in the video description below, and that is the best way for us to stay connected. And I want to thank you for joining me today in my kitchen. I've included a link to this full recipe, and it's in the video description below, and that will take you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I cannot wait to have you join me again in my kitchen.